How to manage investment accounts in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to the Investments tab located in the menu on the left side. This section is designed to give you an overview of all your investment accounts in one place. Next, you need to add your investment accounts if you haven't already. Click on Add Accounts, then search for your brokerage or investment service provider. Enter your login details to securely connect your accounts. Mint will then automatically pull in your investment data, including balances, holdings, and transactions. After your accounts are linked, Mint provides a detailed breakdown of your portfolio. You can see the total value, individual asset allocation, and performance over time. Use this information to monitor how your investments are growing or changing. You can also set up alerts for important changes like significant gains or losses so you stay informed. Additionally, Mint lets you track your investment fees and dividends, helping you understand the true cost and return of your investment. If you want to analyze your portfolio deeper, Mint offers tools like allocation charts and performance graphs. Finally, review your investment goals in Mint regularly. You can set specific targets such as retirement savings or buying a house, and Mint will help you see if you are on track. And that's it. Now you know how to manage investment accounts in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.